Welcome back to our Countdown to Kindergarten Session 9. So for this month, we're going to focus on The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. So all the activities in your bags that you all have picked up are themed around Dr. Seuss and learning about different things. So the very first activity that we want you all to do is in your bags, we're going to find 2 sheets that say, let's count with the cat. And one of them will have 1 through 10. And the other one is going to have 11 through 20. And we're also going to pull out a sheet that has thing 1 through thing 24. You're going to need your scissors that we gave you all in your bags last month. And in your bags, you should have 2 different types of Velcro. So we have a really, really rough section, and then we have a really, really soft section of Velcro. So we're going to need all of those items. So if you all want to put me on pause and find all of those things in your bag, we're going to work on this activity today. So now that everybody has everything that we need, the very first thing that I want you guys to do is to cut out your thing 1 through thing 20. So you want to cut them out so that they're small pieces like this, but they don't have to be perfect, okay? So if everybody will put me on pause and do that really quickly, I have already got mine cut out. So once you guys have everything cut out, you're going to take your smooth pieces of Velcro, the ones that aren't rough but really soft and smooth, and you're going to put those on the back, 1 dot on the back of every one of your things. So my thing 9 now has Velcro on the back. So go ahead and do that for 1 through 20. And we're going to leave those laying on the table and put those to the side for just a second. Okay, now that I have all of mine done, we're going to turn them over so that we can see what number is on each of the little circles. So now that I've got that done, we're going to take the rough pieces of Velcro that are these. Should be the only Velcro you have left. And we're going to put those on the white circles that we have on our sheet. So they're going to go right here, right here. And we're going to do that to all of our things. Okay, so now that we have those done, there's several different activities that we can do with these. Right now, I have just done 1 through 10. I wanted you guys to go ahead and do 1 through 20 so that you can do all of these. But while we have our things facing up over here on this side of the table, if you'll notice on your sheet, there's dots in the hair of all of the different things. So you're going to find a dot and make sure we find all of the dots in his hair, and we're going to count. So for this one, this thing has, it looks like just 1 dot. So we're going to come over here to our things, and we're going to find the one that says thing 1. So this is what thing 1 looks like. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to label him so that he has his number on. All right. So for this one, we're going to count. Let's count together, guys. 1, 2. So he has 2 dots. So we're going to come over here and find the number 2. We're going to Velcro him on. Okay. Let's see if you guys can do this one by yourself. So let's see. Can anybody count for me? If we all came up with thing 3, we're right. And we are going to find thing 3. And we're going to Velcro him on to his belly. All right. And then let's do this one together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So we are going to find thing 4 and match him up. Okay. Now it's getting harder. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. So we're going to find thing 5, the number 5. And it looks like this. And then we're going to put that on his belly. So we've got him labeled. Let's move on to his partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want to find thing 6. We want to make sure that the circle is on the bottom for thing 6. And go ahead and label him on there. We'll move on and we will count the next pair of things. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will find thing 7. We will put him on there. Oops. Let's count this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got thing 8 that we're going to label. Let's move down here to our last set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 things. So we're going to label this thing as 9. And then let's count our dots in our last one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we are going to find thing 10 and we're going to label him. So now we have our whole entire sheet labeled correctly. We have things 1 through thing 10 found. There's a lot of fun things we can do with this though, guys. We don't just have to find the numbers. We can turn these over and play memory with them. So how we do that is we turn all of our circles over. We take these off. We can practice doing this lots and lots of times. And then trying to remember where those numbers are when we flip one over. Or we can randomly pick a circle. I picked thing 3. So now we can find which thing has 3 dots on here. So, I think this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, not this one, maybe this one. 1, 2, 3. So now that I have found him, I can label him. So we can do thing 3. So you can do that for all of them and then practice 1 through 20, okay? You can use these all sorts of times. And as long as we remember to keep all of these pieces together, we put the soft Velcro on our things so that they don't stick together when we put them in a Ziploc baggie or a little cup. So you guys go 1 through 20. and keep practicing counting our numbers so that we know how many things we have. If you guys have any questions about how to do this lesson or you need additional help, reach out to us at the Extension office or one of your family resource people. Thank you.